If you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to open settings. Then we're gonna choose network and internet, and after that you want to proceed to the hotspot and tethering. In here we have the Wi-Fi hotspot, which we can easily enable just by tapping on the switcher, and then your hotspot is now active. Other devices can connect to your hotspot, but we can also tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot option itself in order to find a couple of additional settings, which can be of course quite crucial to visit. For example, we can change the hotspot name in here. We can also find the hotspot password, so if you want to check what is the password to your hotspot, you can check it over here, and also you can of course change it in case you want to switch the password. We can also find the option to turn off the hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. We can also find speed and compatibility settings where you can adjust the frequency or increase it to 5 GHz. And also we have the QR code generator, which is available if the hotspot is enabled. So once you have the hotspot enabled, you can tap on this QR code and you can generate this QR code so other devices can connect to you after scanning this QR code. So they don't have to look for the network and they don't have to enter the password. Besides that, of course, in the control center or quick settings, you should be able to find the hotspot button as well. By default, it is located in here, so you can tap on that button to turn it on or turn it off if you wish to have quick access to the hotspot, if you want to quickly toggle it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.